Marat pidit-pidit digiti kaadwan. Nang na launay kadetoy issue, may panggeptimetro nga, may pagarop nga uray kadetoy adati anomalyana. Ano ba yan? Kung mayroong ghost project, ito yung tinatawag na ghost funds or ghost collection. Hanga makadanon apo ito Ilocos Norte Electric Cooperative. Mapantabulsa, dagiti agtatakaw. In tema naman, tirete na nakamat nga interview tayo with Acting General Manager Cipriano Perry Martinez. Mga idol, tipagtutok ti IFM News.
Ibang issue naman yun, pero like, alam naman niyo yun for the past, I think 2 weeks ago. In fact, Bombo was the one who had a scoop on that. May nag-report, no? And that triggered yung aming investigation. Ito naman sa mga metro naman namin, no? Na apparently merong may anomalya doon sa mga metro, both doon sa metro itself and human factor, no? Ibig sabihin yung aming mga meter readers or the ones the department that handles meter reading, no? Yung sa billing. Medyo nakaka-alarma ito because yung initial list namin is about 4,600 ang medyo kailangang i-validate na talagang may problema. Merong ang lumalabas po nung chinek po natin, mayroon tayong 4,600 na mga metro in the area of area 2, which is Laward, Bacara, and some parts of Pasukin. About 4,600 of that, medyo ang lumalabas po, nagsisiro meter reading. Ibig sabihin, hindi ginagamit ang kuryente and therefore walang nasisingil ang INEC. So, we need to validate this, no? Totoo ba na may 4,600 na walang tao sa bahay na hindi nagko-konsumo ng kuryente? So, of course, we need to validate this muna, and yun ang ginawa ng mga team natin. Actually, pangalawang linggo na to validate kung talagang hindi nga gumagamit ng kuryente. At kung gumagamit naman ng kuryente at hindi sila nasisingil, hindi kami nagbibil, obviously there is something is wrong, may anomalyang nangyayari both on our both ends, no, from INEC side and also from MCO side. But I have to mention, no, kasi INEC ang supposed to be the one to do this properly. So, ang onus talaga is really on INEC side. So, yun ang ating inaayos kung ang problema ba metro namin or tao namin. We need to get to the bottom of this. Again, this comes in kasi kung may problema yan, hindi nabibil, lumalabas po yan sa systems loss ng electric cooperative. And ang systems loss, and this is not only for INEC, it's all over the country, allowed by law yun. Ang systems loss po, up to a certain degree, no? Ang INEC po ngayon nasa 10.26, 10.20, around that much, no? Pass on systems loss, no? All over the country naman, allowed naman yan ng batas ng ERC na pass on yan. Pero kung meron tayong anomalya doon sa pagkuha ng kuryente doon sa nabibil,